Move in. Start living in a new house. We're going to move in next week. They moved into their new apartment yesterday. Move out. Leave a house or apartment. I'm moving out of my old flat this weekend. She moved out after the argument. Set up. Arrange or prepare something. We set up the dining table for dinner. They set up the new bed in the guest room. Clean up. Tidy or clean something. I need to clean up the kitchen after cooking. They cleaned up the living room before guests arrived. Throw out. Discard or get rid of something. I threw out the old things. He threw out the broken chair. Put away. Place something in its usual place. Please put away the dishes after washing. She put away the groceries in the kitchen. Hang up. Hang clothes or items. Hang up your coat in the hallway. I hung up the new curtains yesterday. Turn on. Switch something on. Turn on the lights, it's dark. She turned on the heater. Turn off. Switch something off. Don't forget to turn off the stove. He turned off the fan before leaving. Take out. Remove something from a place. Take out the trash, please. She took out the old batteries. Put up. Hang or fix something on a wall. I put up a new picture in my bedroom. They put up shelves in the kitchen. Pick up. Collect things that are lying around. Pick up your toys. She picked up the dirty clothes. Drop by. Visit informally. You can drop by my house anytime. My friend dropped by for coffee. Lock up. Secure the house by locking doors. I locked up before going to bed. Don't forget to lock up when you leave. Look after. Take care of something or someone. Can you look after the house while we're away? She looks after her little brother. Fix up. Repair or improve. They're fixing up the old house. I need to fix up my room. Get in. Enter a place. What time did you get in last night? I couldn't get in because I forgot my keys. Check out. Leave a rented place or hotel. We need to check out by 11 a.m. They checked out of the cottage early. Come over. Meaning, visit someone's house. Would you like to come over for dinner? My friends came over yesterday. Back up. Support or move backward. Back up the car into the garage. I backed up the couch to the wall. Chill out. Relax at home. Let's chill out in the living room. I chilled out on the sofa all day. Eat in. Have a meal at home. Let's eat in tonight. We ate in and watched a movie. Do up. Renovate or redecorate. We're doing up the kitchen. She did up the living room beautifully. Call in. Visit for a short time. I'll call in you later. My aunt called in this morning. Turn down. Lower the volume or heat. Turn down the music. Can you turn down the heater? Turn up. Increase the volume or heat. Turn up the TV, I can't hear it. She turned up the heater. Get out. Leave a place. Get out of the house now. I got out for some fresh air. Run out of. Have no more of something. We ran out of sugar. I ran out of cleaning supplies. Clear out. To empty or remove things. I cleared out the garage. Let's clear out the closet. Pass out. To distribute. He passed out drinks to everyone. She passed out the blankets. Sort out. Organize or solve a problem. I need to sort out the laundry. She sorted out the kitchen drawers. Give away. Meaning, donate or give something free. I gave away my old clothes. She gave away the furniture.